According to this book, we can think about AI as a race between Sam Altman from OpenAI and Demis Hassabis from DeepMind, which has been acquired by Google. Now, Sam Altman actually was a Stanford dropout. He started OpenAI. It has a very bold statement to make artificial general intelligence benefit all of humanity. You would know OpenAI mainly from DALL-E, which is of course their image gen model, and of course ChatGPT, which was the second fastest app to reach 100 million users. The first one was Threads from Meta, and today ChatGPT actually has 700 million monthly active users. On the other hand, we have Demis Hassabis. Now, he was a chess prodigy. He's also a neuroscientist. He started DeepMind in 2010, again to solve general intelligence, and it was acquired by Google in 2014. Now, they first became popular because they actually made a technology which defeated human beings at a game called Go, which is a highly strategic game. And also, they have created AlphaFold, which has really revolutionized science because it predicts how proteins will fold, which is incredibly complex. And he actually won the Nobel Prize in 2024 for this. Now, both of them have a very high stake race when it comes to artificial general intelligence, which is essentially when machines can think and act autonomously like human beings. This book is a really good read because it actually explains to you how exactly this ecosystem works, right? For example, say an Arvind Srinivasan, who you know from Perplexity, actually interned at OpenAI, and this whole field is extremely connected with a few very key people making all the decisions, and they are actually going to define the future of AI. They are, of course, backed by huge tech giants, OpenAI with Microsoft, DeepMind with Google, and a lot of the new Google announcements that we are seeing are actually technology that DeepMind has created. So a really interesting book, especially if you're interested in AI and seeing how it will shape the future.